As homeowners in Columbia, South Carolina, look for ways to reduce energy costs, improve comfort, and contribute to a more sustainable environment, energy-efficient windows have become a growing trend. These windows are designed to minimize energy loss, enhance indoor comfort, and lower utility bills. With the rising demand for eco-friendly home upgrades, more residents are turning to energy-efficient window solutions, recognizing the long-term benefits for both their wallets and the planet. What makes windows energy efficient? Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce the transfer of heat between the inside and outside of a home. They typically consist of multiple panes of glass, which act as insulators, along with gas fills such as argon or krypton between the panes to further enhance insulation. Additionally, the window frame materials and coatings on the glass play a crucial role in the window's overall performance. Some of the key features of energy-efficient windows include low emissivity, low-E glass coatings. Low-E coatings reduce heat transfer and minimize glare. These coatings reflect infrared light while allowing visible light to enter, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Double or triple glazing. Double-glazed windows have 2 panes of glass, while triple-glazed windows feature 3 panes. Both configurations are more effective than single-pane windows at insulating homes from outdoor temperatures. Argon or krypton gas. Between the panes of glass, an inert gas such as argon or krypton is often used to improve insulation. These gases are denser than air and prevent heat from escaping through the window. Energy Star certification. Look for windows with the Energy Star label, which signifies that they meet rigorous energy performance standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Why energy-efficient windows are becoming popular in Columbia. Columbia's warm summers and relatively mild winters create a unique climate that can challenge homeowners when it comes to keeping their homes comfortable. The high humidity in the area can make air conditioning a constant necessity during the hot months, while cool nights in the winter can lead to heating needs. Energy-efficient windows help balance these needs by maintaining consistent indoor temperatures and reducing the reliance on heating and cooling systems. Lower utility bills. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in energy-efficient windows is the significant reduction in energy costs. In Columbia, air conditioning can account for a large portion of a homeowner's electricity bill during the hot summer months. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can drastically reduce the amount of cool air that escapes from your home, which means your air conditioner won't need to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. In winter, energy-efficient windows help keep warmth inside, preventing heat from escaping through the windows. This reduces the need for heating systems to run continuously, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced heating bills. Enhanced comfort. Energy-efficient windows also help create a more comfortable living environment. These windows minimize drafts, cold spots, and heat gain from the sun. In a Columbia home, especially one with larger windows or poor insulation, air leaks and temperature fluctuations can be a constant issue. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, homeowners can enjoy a more stable and comfortable indoor climate, regardless of the outdoor weather. Environmental impact. For residents of Colombia who are environmentally conscious, choosing energy-efficient windows aligns with a broader commitment to sustainability. Reducing energy consumption lessens the demand for electricity, which can help lower the home's carbon footprint. The production and installation of energy-efficient windows also use fewer resources than constantly replacing older, inefficient windows. Thus, this upgrade contributes to the local and global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Increased property value. Beyond the immediate benefits of reduced energy costs and improved comfort, energy-efficient windows can also increase the resale value of a home. As more homebuyers become aware of the advantages of energy-efficient features, homes equipped with these windows are often seen as more desirable and modern. This is especially true in areas like Colombia, where energy efficiency is becoming a priority for many homeowners. Conclusion. The trend of installing energy-efficient windows in Colombia residences is clearly on the rise, and it's easy to see why. These windows not only reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills but also enhance comfort and contribute to environmental sustainability. With the potential for long-term savings and increased property value, it's no surprise that energy-efficient windows are becoming a top choice for homeowners in Colombia. If you're looking for a way to boost your home's performance and comfort, consider upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Your wallet and the planet will thank you.